Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. So today I want to talk more about Greenworks tools. These have been kind of featured once before or twice before on my channel when I was trying them out. I happened to be at Walmart recently and I was walking past the tool aisle as I normally do. And what did I happen to see but a large display for their hand tools at Walmart. And I was a bit surprised, kind of took a picture of it. I'm going to put the picture right here just so you guys can kind of see what the display looked like at my Walmart at least. And I didn't know that this was in the works, but a lot of things make a lot more sense now. Over at Dena Tools, they did a video a while back about Hart being discontinued and Walmart refocusing on their Hypertough line, which I actually really like the Hypertough line. I think they're a pretty good bang for the buck, especially for the home gamer out there. But the Greenworks, I did a little bit of research just to kind of find out what's been going on, and it looks like it was on May 27th that Walmart officially announced the partnership on the hand power tools, and they're going to come out with quite an extensive lineup, in store. But these are going to be considered their pro power tools, which are going to be a little bit different quality than the ones you see here. These ones I just purchased on Amazon myself, maybe about 6-8 months ago, somewhere kind of in that range. I happened to be at like an outdoor show expo type thing where we were presenting as one of the gutter companies, and I walked around, looked at all the tools. I saw Greenworks, I was intrigued, and I went and I spent my own money to kind of take a look at what they have. And these two right here, the impact and the drill, have been kind of just sitting in my garage out, and they're kind of my go-tos. If I'm not using my M12, I kind of grab these ones if I'm looking for a little bit more power, and I've been pretty happy with them. I did do a video where I can kind of compare a bunch of different, drills, impacts, stuff like that. I'll put a link to that at the very end of the video if you guys want to kind of take a look. Where there was Greenworks, there was Milwaukee, there was Craftsman, and I believe Hypertough was in there as well. So a little bit of everything if you guys are kind of interested in the performance. But back to kind of what Walmart's strategy looks like is what they're doing basically is they're coming out with the Pro line of Greenworks, so that way a pro can walk into any Walmart, basically buy these tools, and they're going to be using the new tabless batteries in the Walmart versions, and it's all metal chucks, stuff like that, so a little bit different than the ones that you can get on Amazon. I haven't picked any up yet, but that's something I may do and do a kind of a head-to-head comparison on what the Greenworks at Walmart, how they perform versus just the regular ones that you can buy on Amazon or directly through Greenworks, because supposedly the ones at Walmart are exclusive and a better quality than the ones you can buy elsewhere. So really kind of what's happening is Hart is officially gone, discontinued. TTI that makes them, that also makes the Ryobi and Milwaukee and stuff like that, basically walked away from Walmart, and they needed something to kind of fill that gap. And what they're basically doing is Greenworks is going to fill that gap on the higher end, as they consider it, and then Hypertough is going to be expanding their line on the lower end. And actually, while I got you guys here, I'm going to grab 1 second. All right, sorry about that. I just went and grabbed a few of my Hypertough tools. If you guys watch, the torque test channel, these things have performed, very, very well, on there. This one right here is the hydraulic impact. That's the only hydraulic impact that I have. But, on the torque test channel, they tested this guy out and basically performed as well as the Milwaukee Surge, the original one, not the one that was re-released here last year or so. And they also have their kind of just basic set of drill and impact driver as well. And honestly, for the price, not too bad. Again, these are going to be featured in that video that I was talking about before that I'll link over at the end. But basically, this is what you're going to be seeing when you go into Walmart from now on, is you're going to have Greenworks, you're going to have Hypertough, so Hypertough on the lower end, Greenworks on the higher end, depending on what you guys are looking to do. But I was pleasantly surprised with the performance on both of these, to be perfectly honest with you guys. If you guys bought into the Hart ecosystem, unfortunately, you're pretty much out of luck. Those batteries don't really work with anything else, at least to my knowledge. They're not going to work at least with anything that's sold at Walmart going forward. But Hypertough is definitely going to be expanding their, this is their 20 volt line that I have here in front of you. But they also have a 12 volt line as well with the batteries that kind of look similar to the Milwaukee M12 type batteries. But you're going to kind of have, a lot more options going forward on the lower end just by walking into any local Walmart. And I think honestly, one of the biggest winners in this deal is going to be Greenworks. I mean, I don't have a lot of interaction with them. And by the way, in case anyone's wondering, I'm not affiliated with any tool company. Nothing is given to me for free, nor am I paid for any of this stuff. Anything you saw in front of you, I paid for with my own money. This is kind of more of like a public service announcement. Anybody kind of curious if they walked into Walmart and kind of just saw Greenworks and was like, hey, what the heck is going on? I was able to kind of pick the brain of the marketing guy at Greenworks when I was at the convention, and it seems like it's a solid company. Seems like they have kind of a solid strategy going forward here, and I wish them all the best of luck with this kind of stuff. And I think it'll do well there, and hopefully kind of get their name out and go from there. For me, if you guys have watched my channel before, you know probably why I picked the Greenworks, and that's because green is my favorite color tool, and a lot of my tool collection, you can probably see my Snap-on tape measure back here, some Snap-on tools right here, Icon tools, all that kind of stuff. I do love the green tools, so definitely something that I'm going to keep an eye out. At least at the Walmart that is near me, the only thing that I've seen so far is they were selling the impact separately, the drill separately, a kit with the impact and drill, and then they had I believe it was a 4-piece that came with the impact, the drill, the flashlight, which almost is kind of like a worthless one in my opinion, but hey, if you guys use it, all power, more power to you. And then it came with a like a Sawzall type saw as well, and I believe it was about 200 or 250 for that, and it came with batteries and all that kind of stuff. And I believe all the tools that you get there will come, with the battery as well. One interesting thing here, let me take the big 4-amp battery off of this guy. And this is their older design, not their new tabless design that they're going to have over at Walmart. But the one very interesting thing about these guys is they're just simply USB-C. You can just charge it with a USB-C cable that is included. So that's kind of nice, if you can carry that around with you when you're on the job. That way you can keep these things charged without having to carry a big charger around with you, like I have to do for my business with the chargers for my Milwaukee and Bauer tools. And the one other interesting thing about them is I'm not 100% sure if you can do it with this. I'm pretty sure you can, but I know with the ones at Walmart, you can actually use these as kind of a power bank as well to charge your phone or laptop or other devices and things like that. So definitely kind of a nice little added feature that you got going on there. So that's all I know so far. I still need to do a little bit of reconnaissance on my end. And like I said, maybe I will go and, purchase maybe like the impact or something where it's a very easy kind of comparison to see, is it really worth getting it directly at Walmart, or is the stuff that you're getting on Amazon the same basic tool as well? Now, if you guys want to see anything, any direct comparisons, whether it's, the Greenworks versus Hypertough, like I said, I have a very basic video that I'm going to link here in a second. I'll show you where that's going to be. But if you want to see anything more in depth, anything maybe I didn't show on that video, please leave it in the comments down below. And yeah, the link will be probably right about here where I'm pointing. And then as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.